Okay guys, back at it. We're at the donation center, North County, San Diego. Do some donations today. Look at the boys, they're waiting for the donations. Woo! What's up guys?
How you doing,
Good, good, good. So we're gonna be doing, we got a bunch of clothing.
Okay.
Just some clothing, but I gotta make sure it's not trash because he just gave me the bags, dude. Hang on. Because I know I'm not giving you trash. Hang on. Do that there. Swip that around. Yeah. Whoa. Look at it. Oh. Clothing. Yeah, clothing. Bags. Oh, that's a cool one. There you go, brother. All right, brother. You got it. Thank you.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's all. Super easy day.
Sweet, sweet.
So,
a lot of work.
We're busy here and there. We're busy enough. Like I got the recycler, drop off these. I got 2 more jobs later this afternoon. We're busy, dude.
Yeah.
Doing our donations, you know.
I've been following you on TikTok.
We're doing good. Did you follow? So we have 2. We have the junk guys, and we have
It's
the
you.
and we have the hauler junk removal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You took a picture of him one time and he
Yeah,
came out.
he was on my last one.
Yeah.
You guys are famous now, dude.
You need to send him an e form or something?
Yeah, dude, I've already told you. You approved it already.
All right, brother.
All right, you guys have a great one. I appreciate you.
When do we get our residuals?
Once I hit 1 million views, dude, I'll give you a residual. I'm at like 25 views, bro. We got a ways to go.
All right, bro.
Right on, thank you. All right, guys, so if you need something donated in North County, and if you don't have a truck, come over here to Goodwill, drop it off. Take this little, they got a little thing, you take a photo right here. Take a photo, and that way you'll get your tax write-off for the government. But anyway, if you can't do it, give us a call at the Haulerjunkremoval, Haulerjunkremoval.com, 760-331-3289. And we'll do it for you. It's super easy. Just put it in a bag. We'll come by, pick it up. We'll charge you a small little fee, of course. And yeah, we'll donate it for you, and then we'll send you the receipt so you get the tax write-off. And you don't have to do any work except for pay our bill. So give us a call anywhere in the North County or anywhere in San Diego County, 760-331-3289 for all your donation needs. All right, thanks.